$5,000 credit card with no credit check at all. Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this video, we are going to show you how you can get this $5,000 worth of credit card with no credit check at all. Remember, there will be no impact to your credit score when you apply for this credit card, and we are going to show you how you can apply for this very important credit card if you have bad or no credit history at all. We are going to tell you the step-by-step guide as well. And remember that if you would like to get this credit card, then make sure you don't miss any part from this video. One more thing that we would like to tell you, that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal credit line with no credit check at all, and you can get it even if you have no job at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button, as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the opportunity that you all have been waiting for a very long time. Welcome to Mission Lane. Yes, let's take this credit journey together, because when you apply for this, there will be no impact to your credit score, as well as you are not going to get any hard inquiry on your credit when you apply for this. Don't worry about it. We are going to show you the step-by-step guide, as well as we will tell you how you can fill the form to get the maximum approval odds. One more thing that we would like to tell you right here, that we are also going to give you a review of this Mission Lane credit card, so don't go anywhere and don't miss any part from this video. So moving on and tell you about this credit card, how it works and what are the perks. So the Mission Lane Visa credit card, that's what they call this credit card, and according to them, they say there's clear pricing and no hidden fees at all. Higher credit lines over time up to $5,000. The tools to help build your credit. Well, yes, they will help you to build your credit if you have no credit or bad credit. One more thing that we really like about this credit card is there's instant credit decision. What happens in most of the times, right, that when you apply for a credit card, then you have to wait for a letter in the mail that either you're approved or either you're denied. Well, and that is a very painful time when we wait for the credit card and we need the credit card. Well, not everyone needs a credit card to spend money. Some needs it to actually build their credit card, as well as they want to use their credit card on the things they do on the daily basis, so they can get some perks as well. Well, the other thing that according to them, they say that they are by your side anytime, everywhere. Well, that's what we don't understand that what it means. And of course, all the coverage of Visa. Well, MasterCard has more perks in some credit cards when it comes to the credit card, but Visa is also a very acceptable opportunity. And remember, Visa is accepted worldwide pretty much everywhere. So there's two things that you need to do. The first thing, that you can respond to a mail offer if you already have one, and either you can see if you will be approved. Remember, there's a very big myth going on that you will get the mail offers of different credit cards automatically. You don't. Let us tell you again, you don't. You have to opt in. Yes, when you opt in, then you will get the mail offers, and very soon we are going to upload another video which will allow you to enroll yourself in the credit card mail offers program, and we will tell you. So don't go anywhere and don't miss any part from this video. When going towards the detail, remember they say they're clear pricing and no hidden fees at all. They said there's no security deposit, no activation fee, no over the limit fee, and they have got nothing to hide. Well, this is indeed a very big opportunity if they fulfill these promises. And they also say that you can get higher credit lines over time. We did our R&D and we've seen that yes, they give credit lines up to $5,000 till now. That's the highest that we have seen. Well, we see all your hard work according to them, and when you're eligible, we'll bump up your credit limit as well. More things they say, the tools to help build your credit that they have. We've got you covered with free anytime access to your credit score. Yes, you can do that. Credit building education and reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus. Well, this is what I love about this credit card, because they do report to all major credit report bureaus. Remember that when it comes to this, people who have no credit or are in the process of building credit right now, then this is indeed a very good opportunity. Now then, they say that instant credit decision, you can get an instant decision on your Mission Lane Visa credit card application. No more waiting for days or weeks or to find out if you're approved, as we already mentioned that this is indeed a very painful situation. Well, by your side, anytime, anywhere, easily manage your account 24/7 through our website and mobile app. They do have an app, and there's never a cost to talk with one of our world-class team members on the phone. That's what they say. All the coverage of Visa accepted globally, and wherever you see the Visa logo and Visa, you got your back with zero liability, fraud coverage if your card is ever lost or ever stolen. Remember, they say that we are here for you. Well, without any further ado, let's get into the application and see how you can fill it and what are the information that they require from you. Well, when you click on see if I'll be approved, we are going to paste the link below in the video's description as well. You can click on it and see if you're qualified for this or not. And they say see which card you will be approved. Yes, they have multiple cards and you need to see which one you will get approved. And they say that you can get approved with the card with no impact. Let us again tell you, no impact to your credit score at all. They say complete this form, see your card terms, and accept your offer. And according to them, it only takes 60 seconds, no hidden fees guaranteed. Well, let us see that what they have. Well, first, we would like to tell you that when you get the pre-qualification offer, means when you get it and you get an offer, you accept it, then they'll do a hard pull. So make sure when you get the credit card, of course, when you want the credit card and you accept, okay, I want this credit card, then they will do a hard pull. But before that, there's no hard pull at all. Well, they ask your personal information such as your first name, middle name, legal last name, date of birth, social security number. You can also enter your TIN, means taxpayer identification number as well, street address, unit, city, state, zip code. Make sure that the information you put right here matches the information that you have on your credit file. Do you rent your home or not? Your monthly rent, employment status, total annual income, what type of bank accounts do you have? How would you be interested in blank checks to use for cash advances? Totally up to you. Contact information like your email address, your personal cell phones, and then to disclosure, and then of course see if you'll be approved. Again, they say that I understand this isn't a credit card application and it will have no impact to my credit score as part of this pre-qualification process. There will only be soft inquiry, means no credit check, means no credit impact on my credit report. After pre-qualifying, if I decide to apply, there will be a hard inquiry. Make sure that you read this. There will be a hard inquiry on my credit report. So remember that this is a very important piece of information right here. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and let us know if you get approved for this credit card or not. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.